In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stop-motion animation in Kapwing. Whether you're a budding content creator or just looking to add a bit of flair to your projects, stop-motion animation can offer a unique touch. So let's get started and bring your animation ideas to life with easy-to-follow steps. First, we'll need to head over to Kapwing's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.kapwing.com. Kapwing is a versatile tool that helps you create content more efficiently, so it'll be perfect for our animation project. Once the website loads, look towards the top right corner and click on Sign In. This step initiates access to your existing projects and the platform's full features. After clicking Sign In, choose to sign in with your Google account. This method is convenient and quick, ensuring your projects are synced and accessible. You'll be prompted to select your Google account. Make sure to choose the account you typically use for creative projects. Once logged in, navigate to your project area by clicking on My Projects. Here you'll be able to view any existing work. But today, we are focused on creating something new, so click on a fresh project to get started. Now that you're in the editing dashboard, it's time to add your first image. Click to upload your first image from your device. This image will serve as the first frame in your stop-motion sequence. Once it's visible in the editor, we'll move on to crucial timing settings. Click on Timing in the editor to adjust how long your image will appear on screen. For effective stop motion, the key is to have quick transitions, so set this first image to 1 second. This quick pace will help to create the illusion of movement that characterizes stop-motion animation. Next, it's time to add the second image. Repeat the upload process, then do the same for your third image. Each one will be a part of your animation sequence, and by adding them here, we'll be able to adjust their flow. With all your images uploaded, it's time to fine-tune the timing for each one. Start by selecting the second image and choose the appropriate timing, then move on to the third image. Adjusting these carefully ensures your animation plays smoothly. After setting the timing, it's time to combine them into one sequence. This involves placing them in the right order, just like laying out pieces of a puzzle. Taking care when arranging them gives your animation a natural progression. Having combined your images, return to the start and click on Play. This final step lets you watch your creation come to life, and you can always refine or tweak as necessary. With each playthrough, your stop-motion animation is ready to impress, whether you're sharing it online or using it within a broader project. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see what you create.